Hello students, today I am going to prove some more problems on sets. So coming to the next problem. So in this particular problem, we have given the sets capital U. U is nothing but universal set. In U we are having the elements from 1 to 24. Okay. And in A we are having 2, 6, 8, 14 and 22. And in B we are having 4, 8, 10 and 14. And in C, we are having 6, 10, 12, 14, 18, and 20. Then we have to verify two conditions. So coming to the first one, that is A intersection B whole dash. Here dash is nothing but complement. So we can also say that complement can be written as a dash. Okay, A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So that is the first condition we have to prove. Coming to the second condition, B complement intersection C union A complement intersection C is equal to C intersection of A complement union B complement. That is the second condition we have to prove. Okay, so coming to the solution. So first I am writing that we have A is equal to 2, 6, 8, 14, 22 and B is equal to 4, 8, 10, 14. Okay, in order to prove the first bit, we have to write A and B. Okay, so after that, I am going to find A intersection B. Okay, A intersection B. This is equal to, so we have to write both the sets 2, 6, 8, 14 and 22 intersection 4, 8, 10, 14. So the definition of intersection is we have to write the common elements in both the sets. Okay, so we have to write only the common elements in both the sets. Okay, so coming to the solution, so the common elements are, so we are having 8 in common and we are having 14 in common. So we are having only two elements in common. Okay, this is A intersection B. So after that, we have to find A intersection B whole complement. That is the LHS value. So this is A bit. I am proving A bit. So coming to the LHS of A bit, we are having A intersection B whole dash. Here whole dash is nothing but complement. So once again, I am writing that A intersection B whole complement. But the formula for A intersection B whole complement is U minus of A intersection. So this is the formula for A intersection B whole complement. Okay, it means we have to write the set U first. So U set is nothing but 1, 2. So U is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 24 minus A intersection B is nothing but 8, 14. Okay, so U minus A intersection B. Okay, so now coming to the solution, we have to write all the elements in U except 8 and 14 because we have to subtract the elements 8, 14 from U, so that we have to write the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so we need not to write 8. After 7 we have to write 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, after 13 we have to write 15, 16, and so on up to 24. Okay, so in U we have to leave the elements 8 and 14. So then we get the set U minus of A intersection B. So this is the value of LHS. Okay, so now coming to the RHS in A bit, we have to find A complement and B complement, and after that we have to find A complement union B complement. Okay, so now first coming to A complement. A complement is equal to U minus A. Okay, so once again we have to write the set U. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to 24 we are having in U minus, so the set A is 2, 6, 8 comma 14 comma 22. Okay, so these are the elements we are having in set A. So whenever you subtract A from U, so we get, so 1 comma, so since 2 is having in A, so we need not to write 2. So after that 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma, so since 6 is having in A, we cannot write 6 in U minus A. After that we have to write 7, so we need not to write 8. After that we have to write 9. After that 10, 11, 12, wait, so 10 after 11, 12, 13. So after 14 we need not to write 14 because we are having 14 in A. After that we have to write 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. We need not write 22, so that we have to write 23, so 24. Okay, so these are the elements in the set U minus A. So in U minus A, we cannot write the elements of capital A. The elements which are having in capital A, those particular elements need not to write in the set U minus A. Okay, if you observe the set U minus A, in that particular set we are not having any element of A, so that is U minus A. Okay, so coming to B dash, this is equal to U minus B. So once again we have to write U 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma and so on up to 24 we are having minus, so the set B is 4 comma 8 comma 10 comma 14. Okay, now coming to the set U minus B, so we have to write the elements in U except the elements in B. Okay, so we have to write all the elements of U, but we have to neglect the elements of B. Okay, so that I am writing 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma, so we need not to write 4 because 4 is having in the set B. And after that we have to write 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma, so 8 is also we are having, so we need not write 8. After that we have to write 9 comma, so 10 is also we are having, so that we cannot write 10. After that we have to write 11 comma 12 comma 13 comma, so 14 also we are having, so that we cannot write 14. After that we have to write 15, so from 15 onwards we have to write up to 24. Okay, so this is the set B dash. Now coming to the RHS of first bit, so RHS of first bit is A dash union B dash, so it means A complement union B complement, so it means we have to write A dash set. So the set A dash is we are having here only, so we have to write first A dash, so 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 comma 10 comma 11 comma 12 13 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 23 and 24. Okay, union I am writing B dash. B dash is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 9 comma 11 comma 12 comma 13 comma 15 comma 16 comma and so on up to 24. Okay, so this is the set B complement. So whenever we have to union two sets, we have to write all the elements in both the sets, and those elements which are repeated twice can be written only once in the union. That is the definition of union. Okay, so I am writing the elements in A dash union B dash. So starting with 1, so 1 is repeated twice, we have to write only once. After that we have to write a 2, so after that 3 4 5 6 7. After 7 we are not having 8 in both the sets, so after 7 we are having 9, so that we have to write 9. After we have to write 10, 10 is having in A dash, so after 10 we have to write 11, next 12, next 13, next we are not having 14, so that we have to write 15, next 16, so next 17, next 18, next 19, next 20, next 21, next 22, 22 we are having in B dash, so that we have to write 22, next 23, next 24. Okay, so these are the elements in A dash union B dash. So now coming to the RHS value, and sorry, LHS value. In LHS also we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, up to 24 we are having in LHS. So this is the value of LHS. Okay. If we observe LHS and RHS, then both the sets are same. Therefore, I am writing that LHS is equal to RHS. It means A intersection B whole dash whole complement is equal to, so A complement union B complement. This is first bit. Okay. So coming to the second bit. So in second bit also we have to prove one condition. So in order to prove that condition, first we have to find the values of B dash intersection C. It means B complement intersection C. So since already we have find that B complement, so we have to copy the value of B complement from above. So that I am writing, we have both the values. A complement is equal to the value of A complement is, so here we are having A complement 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 comma 10 comma 11 comma 12 comma 13 comma 15 comma 16 comma 17 comma 18 comma 19 comma 20 comma 21 comma 23 comma 24. So this is A complement. Once again we have tried B complement. So the set B complement is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 9 comma 11 comma 12 comma 13 15 16 and so on up to we are having 24. So this is the set B complement. Okay. So now by using these values, now first we have to find B complement intersection C. Okay. We have to find B complement intersection C. This is equal to, so B complement is nothing but we have to write this particular set once again. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 9 comma 11 comma 12 comma 13 comma 15 comma 16 and so on up to 24. Okay. Intersection, the set C is 6 comma 10 comma 12 comma 14 comma 18 comma 20. This is the set C. So now we have to find the intersection of these two sets. Yes, we know that the intersection is nothing but we have to write only the common elements present in both the sets. Okay. So we are having 6 in common, so that we have to write 6. We are having after 6 we are having 10 in common. No, we are not having 10 in common. Next we are having 12 in common, so that we have to write a 12. After 12 we are not having 14. After 14 we are having 18 in common. So after 16 we are having all the elements up to 24. So here we are having 18 in B dash, so that we are also having 18 in C, so that we have to write 18 in intersection. And after that we are having 20. So these are the only four elements which are common in both the sets. So 6, 12, 18 and 20. Okay. So we are not having 10 in common. We are not having 14 in common. Okay. This is the B dash intersection C. After that we have to find A dash intersection C. A dash intersection C. It means once again we have to write A dash 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 comma 10 comma 11 comma 12 comma 13 comma 15 comma 16 comma 17 comma 18 comma 19 comma 20 comma 21 comma 23 and 24. Intersection. So C is nothing but once again 6 comma 10 comma 12 comma 14 comma 18 comma 20. Okay. So this is C. So once again, if you want to write the intersection of these two sets, so we have to observe the common elements present in both the sets. Okay. We are not having 6 in common in both the sets. After that we are having 10 in common, so that we have to write a 10. We are also having 12 in common, so that we have to write a 12. We are not having 14 in common. After that we are having 18 in common, so that we have to write 18. After that we are having 20 in common, so that we have to write 20. So this is the set A dash intersection C. Okay. So after finding A dash intersection C, now we have to find the LHS of B bit. LHS value is nothing but B dash intersection C union A dash intersection C. So we have to find this particular value. Okay, this is equal to, so the value of B dash intersection C is, we are having 6 comma 12 comma 18 comma 20, union the value of A dash intersection C is 10 comma 12 comma 18 comma 20. Okay, so once again union is nothing but we have to write both the elements present in the sets, and also the repeated element we have to write only once. Okay, it means we have to write a 6, after that we have to write a 10, after that we have to write a 12, after that we have to write 18, and finally we have to write 20. So these are the elements present in both the sets. Okay, so this is the value of LHS. Now coming to the RHS value, so first we have to find A dash union B dash. So once again I'm writing now A dash union B dash. So this value was already we have find in a bit. So see once again. So the value of A dash union B dash here we are having. So this is the value of A dash union B dash, so that we have to copy that particular value once again here. Okay, so I am copying that particular value. A dash union B dash is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 9 comma 10 comma 11 comma 12 comma 13 15 and so on up to 24. So this is the set A dash union B dash. Once again we are going to check once. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9. Yes, 6 7 9 10 11 12 13 15 16 17 18 19 up to 24 we are having. Yes, we have written up to 24. This is the set A dash union B dash. Now we have to find the RHS value. So the RHS value is C intersection A dash union B dash. So this is the set RHS. Okay, so we have to find the intersection of C and A dash union B dash. So that this is equal to, the set C is 6 comma 10 comma 12 comma 14 comma 18 comma 20. So this is the set C, and the intersection we have to write the elements of A dash union B dash. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 9 comma 10 comma 11 comma 12 comma 13 comma 15 comma and so on up to 24 we are having. Okay, now we have to find the intersection, means the elements which are common in both the sets. Okay, so we are having 6 in common, so that we have to write 6, and also 10 in common, so that we have to write 10, and after that we are having 12 in common, so that we have to write 12. We are not having 14 in common, we are having 18 in common, so that we have to write 18, and we are also having 20 in common, so that we have to write 20. So this is the set C intersection of A dash union B dash, and this is the value of RHS. So if you observe LHS and RHS, both the sets are same. Therefore, we can write LHS is equal to RHS. It means the condition B dash intersection C union A dash intersection C is equal to C intersection of A dash union B dash. Hence the second bit. Okay, thank you.